This is take 2. Hello everybody, Aki here. Welcome to Coffee Talk. Last time, Mr. Hyde and Lua got a heated argument, and Miss Lua leave immediately. After that, Freya was next, then Hyde, lastly Gala. Okay, only resetting it. Opinion. Who watches The Watchmen in Seattle? Cats are the best creatures on Earth. Research has proven Atlantic countries plead for landfolk to send help instead of trash. Okay. Welcome. Hello there. Good evening. Good evening, sir. The usual Earthling linguistic problem. You will never get used to it. Is it okay if I call you sir? Definitely. You can call us whatever you like. We do not mind one bit. We do not mind a bit. Do you want to order anything, sir? Yes. Oh, yes. We have to communicate our order. Please pardon us. What do you recommend? We will not be able to taste the difference anyway. What do you mean? Is it real? It is alright. Forget it. What is the most expensive drink here? Everything's the same price in this coffee shop. Really? That is interesting. Unlike other places we have visited so far. Have you decided on what to order then? Okay, you would like to order anything? Anything? Anything. Okay, you said anything. Alright. Milk, honey, chocolate, please. Your milk is ready, sir. I hope it's to your liking. Don't worry, it will not matter to us. Okay, let's drink this. Yes. Oh, nothing. Okay. Excuse me, sir. Yes. Why did you put your finger in the drink? That's a very strange question. We are drinking it, of course. Drinking it? Yes, drinking it. Oh yes, of course. We almost forgot. Earthlings use their speaking organ to drink. We use our appendages to drink. Usually, polypropylene. Okay. Drinking apparatus is provided for us to use. Pardon? It is what you call plastic in the shape of a long tube stick. You mean a straw? Yes, we wonder why Earthlings rely on it so much. Mostly, you can drink it without it. Yet, the plastic apparatus was provided on 87.76% of all drinking occasions we encountered, and it has become one of the biggest single-use pollutants on your planet. Anyway, how do you drink with a straw? The same as we did, but thanks to the plastic apparatus, we do not need to put our appendages into the liquid mixture you call drinks. It is very convenient. Perhaps convenience takes higher priority in Earthlings' decision-making processes. I see. I guess People won't expect a thing if you put your hands on a straw. Affirmative. By the way, you said you just arrived. Where did you come from, sir? Far. It would be too complicated to tell you all the details. But we can tell you one thing. We have a mission here. A mission? Yes. What kind of mission? Find what the Earthlings call a female. And then, breed. So, you came from far away place to find a date? Our mission does not have to do with your understanding of time. No, I'm not talking about that kind of date. Oh, pardon us. But no, our mission does not have to do anything with fruits. I wasn't talking about that kind of date either. Oh, pardon us again. Your language is extremely confusing sometimes. Don't worry about it. We also struggle with our own languages. Earthlings really need to work on their communication. There are many ways to make communication more direct and simple. Of all places we have been to, this place has the worst communication methods. Can't argue with that. So, how's the mission so far? Not good. We are using this unique communication application. According to our data, it is the biggest source of breeding interaction on Earth. Although the success rate of breeding is not high as the interaction. Huh? I never heard about. Wait, are you talking about a dating app? The system used the fire symbol as their sign. You are talking about a dating app, but again, we found some contradictions in the application. What do you mean? According to our understanding of the application, it requires the person that interacts with it to simply swipe left or right. If you swipe left, it means you do not want to breed. If you swipe right, it means you do want to breed. And when to interactees swipe right between each other, they can commence the introduction to the breeding process. It didn't go well, I assume. Most of them started communicating with very big letters on the communication platform, and they said some words that cannot be considered proper. I don't know what to say about it. Oh, excuse me. But you said most of them. Some of them actually did not get mad. Oh, some of them are laughing with text. Did you meet them? We set up meetings. Many of them did not appear, but some did. Yes, but we got confused with the way they communicate. No outcome from the meetings, even though we decided to go to various recommended places according to our database, and this coffee shop happens to be one of the recommended places. Yes, interesting. Then you're here to meet someone? Yes, but she should have arrived some time ago. Maybe each Earthling also has different interpretations of time. You're right about that. Good evening, miss. Evening. Would you like to order something? Cafe latte, please. Wait. Cafe latte. Okay. Your order is ready, miss. Thank you. How is it? Good. Glad you like it. Are you here to read again, miss? Yeah, you know the drill. Just enjoy your time. you with something? Okay. Oh, nothing. Pardon us. Okay. Excuse us. Yes. Are you waiting for someone? Not this again. No, I'm not waiting for anyone. Are you sure? Yes. I'm sure I'm not waiting for anyone. Because we are waiting for someone from this app. And she is an artist like you. Look here. First, I'm not the only female orc on Earth. Like, I'm not even pure orc. But is your name Uruk High 69? Oh my god. Is this guy sane? Just pardon them, miss. I don't think they're from around here. So, we have not answered the applicants. Are you Uruk High 969? No. My name is Martel, and I never use Uruk High 69 anywhere. Oh, really are not her. Of course, I'm not. Seriously, man, nowadays, if you're that desperate to find a date, why don't you ask your friends or go to a club or something? But we don't have friends on there. Hey, when you said he's not from around here, I'm saying he's not from Earth. Well, from what I've gathered up into they're not from this planet. Man, I didn't ask for interrupting. When you said club, which activities are you talking about? According to the result, there are too many clubs on there. Some of them look pretty interesting. Like this club about space exploration, they call themselves Staggies. Forget everything I said. What time were you supposed to meet this female orc? About an hour ago, according to the local time. She's bailing on you, man. What does that mean? It means big chance is not coming. I'm sorry to be the one to break it to you. She's probably right, sir. Have you tried contacting her? We have. Shared it according to the application. Did she reply? No. Ouch. If she didn't reply, I'm 100% sure she bailed. She's not coming. I believe Miss Martha's here is right. That was. We are a pretty objective people. But somehow Earth's vagueness has taught us a new kind of feeling. This has happened before, many times. Well, I'm sorry to hear that, but it might be a sign you need to change your strategy. Earthlings use strategies to build. The most complicated strategies, in fact. Your kind never ceases to amaze us. That's the case then. You do not need to be here anymore. You can stay if you like. Oh, it's okay. We need to report back immediately. We will visit this place again in the future. You have a very nice place, Honor. Please just call me. Please, just call me Akiyama. Thank you for your time, Akiyama. And thank you for your input also, Miss Marta. We will definitely study the breeding strategies of Earth. Sure. It's called norm, by the way. The breeding norms. Although you can also use strategy as the keyword. We will keep that in mind. Okay then, we are off. Take care on your way. Okay. Who the hell was that? Oh, hi there, Freya. What is an astronaut doing in this coffee shop? Drinking and waiting for their friend apparently. What kind of friend? Like a dad. Oh! A date from a dating app. I should have been here. What does their date look like? The date didn't show up. Ouch. For astronaut. Why didn't they remove the astronaut suit first before going on a date? I mean, showing off your job is pretty common, but it doesn't have to be that literal. I don't think they're an astronaut, not in the usual sense. What do you mean? They might be an alien. Alien? Like Englishman in New York alien or alien alien? Alien. Outer space? Probably. Or other dimensions, I don't know. Wow. Like super wow. I mean, I know you get a lot of different visitors here, but wow. Life is never boring here. That's why I'm writing about it. Oh yeah? How it's going so far? The writing? Yes, the writing. With the capital D and W. It's going pretty well actually. Nice. May I see it? Eh, what do you mean? Can I read the draft you've written so far? No. Please don't. Why? It's not good enough. Hey, be more confident in your work. You know you're a good writer. Besides, if you're not that confident with it, maybe I can share some feedback. You're right. I actually prepared a printout of the draft. So you're planning to show it all along? I wasn't sure about it. It's the first presentable draft anyway. Come on, I know the drill. I'm pretty sure I am pretty familiar with your stuff. Right, alright. Let me get out of my bag. Be honest with your feedback. I will. Now, will you hand it over? It's okay, Freya. Here it is. Thank you. Now, let's see. How was it? Let me read at my own pace, okay? Oh, she is excited. What's wrong? Is it that bad? The main character. Oh my, is the character badly written? I don't think the character suits my personality. That's because you're not the inspiration. Too bad. You have a prime example standing in front of you every day. Prime example, you. You're like the most mysterious person I've ever met. Wait, I think someone's coming. Hey, the drop. I'm not done yet. Oh! Welcome. Would you like to drink here or take away, miss? Here, please. What would you like? Or maybe you'd like to sit down first before deciding. I'll order right away. No need to hurry. Take your time. Is it okay if order something a bit complicated? You can order whatever you like, as long as we have the ingredients. Excuse me. That's the case. Do you know masala chai? The tea with spices? Yes. I'd like to order masala chai. Yes. Oh no, not this. Cinnamon ginger. No. Ginger cinnamon. Okay, nice. Masala siya. I I believe this is the drink you were talking about. From the look of it, I think so. Let's give it a taste. This is it bad, miss? Oh no, it's really good. It's just brought back some memories. I hope they're good ones. Oh, they certainly are. They certainly are. Huh? Where were we? The main character. Our character feels very you. You bet. If the raiders know me, they'll notice right away. Is that okay? Sure, why not? It sounds so narcissistic. Don't worry about it. They won't notice it unless they know me personally. And having the main character think like me makes it easier to write. If you say so. Sorry. Did you say something? Yes. Sorry for interrupting. Are you a fiction writer? Yes, I am. That sounds so cool. Well, yeah, but I only write small-scale fiction. Short stories for the newspaper. Or non-fiction stories about people in this town. She's writing a novel right now, you know. In fact, I was just reading the draft of it for it. Hey, wow. How many books have you written? Well, this should be my first book if I finish it. I always wanted to be a fiction writer. Conjuring words is hard. I'm a writer. And when I can't use complex words like conjure like you just did, a lot of people have said that my vocabulary is uncommon. What do you do? What's your name again? Pardon me. My name is Aqua. Hi Aqua, I'm Freya. And the barista here is Akiyama. Greetings, Miss Aqua. Nice to meet you. So yeah, what do you do? I'm a researcher at the university. I also make games in my free time. Hey, that's even cooler than my job, you know. Thanks. So, you said you can write, but research papers need a lot of writing skills, right? Indeed. But, it's descriptive writing, not narrative writing. What kind of fields are you researching, by the way? I focus on computer graphics. Wow. It involves a lot of calculations and boring stuff. And not something the media would cover, I guess. It wouldn't attract many readers. Oh my, I forgot you are a journalist. I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to offend you. Come on, you don't have to worry so much about everything. It's alright. Excuse me for interrupting, yes? You said you're a researcher in computer graphics, right? That's right. Did you write a paper on the latest fluid rendering technique for 30 environments? I believe one of the contributors is also named Aqua. Oh my, yes, that's me. Did you read it? I did. It was pretty important for the project we're working on. May I ask what kind of project that is? It's a video game series called Full Metal Conflict. According me, you work on FMC? Oops, I'm sorry, I got a bit too excited all of a sudden. Don't be. It's nice when you meet someone who likes the thing you work on. I love that series so much. My name is Ako, by the way. And but you probably knew. You already knew that. My name is Mirtel. What do you do in the project? I'm one of the technical artists. No wonder. Yeah, I don't want to intrude on your discussion any further, but could I ask for your business card or something? Me and some friends have something we want to discuss. We submitted queries through your department's contact form, but we haven't received any replies. Oh yes, that happens a lot. The firm sends the queries to another department, and sometimes it takes them a bit to respond. Pardon us for that. Of course, should have expected that. I don't have my card with me right now, but we can swap email addresses if you want. Sure. Here's my email. You got it. This Full Metal Conflict series you two are talking about, is it the same series that's getting a movie adaptation soon? Yeah, that one. To be honest, I hated the idea of turning the game into a movie. Nonetheless, Hollywood. They have the budget for the flashy visuals. But I doubt they'll do the series justice. Why? Because some games tell their stories in a unique way, and some stories can be told through this medium, and FMC is no exception to that. Interesting. Do you play video games? Well, not much. I usually play weird, obscure art games. The type of game you might see in an art gallery. Really? That's weird. You're not the first to say I'm weird. It's not that. Usually people that play arty games are gamers that got bored of the current state of video games. That's true. But I believe art games cater to a whole different market compared to mainstream games. Hence, a lot of the players are not gamers. They're more accessible to play but harder to perceive. Understanding of them requires a whole lot different of many things. Sorry, I rambled for too long. But at least that's what I think. Good point. Yeah, that was a really good perspective. I played those types of games thanks to people I hung out with. Yeah, you got that look of an artsy hipster. Nailed it. So, you understand my point about the adaptation, right? Kinda. Anyway, I need to go back. I'll email you first thing tomorrow about our question. Wait, what time is it? Oh my, I also need to go home. We can walk to the bus stop together if you want. I hope that doesn't bother Miss Myrtle. Just Myrtle is fine. And of course, it won't bother me at all. Shall we go now? Sure. Thank you so much, Akiyama. And you too, Miss Freya. Good luck with the writing. You take care on your way, okay? Will do. See you around, folks. Just be careful on your way back. So, yes, that was a nice talk. You haven't give me proper feedback for the draft yet, and I could see that you were reading it on and off. Well, it's kinda good. Seriously, that's it. I'm not an editor. Did you expect me to have a list of notes for you? Yes, really. You're mysterious, that much is true. But I've been a regular here for a while. I recognize the expressions you were making as you read it. You have a lot of comments, right? Admit it. Okay, you got me. But this won't be short. I will be really honest about it. The night is young. Hello everybody, I'm back. Sorry for the delay of this recording. So, and let's do it again. Bring it on. Okay. Let's start at the beginning. Okay, topic. Okay, this is the end of the episode, everyone. Thank you for watching. And bye-bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears, sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British grenadiers.